What's up, YouTube? Mike checking in again with another video. So, there is something, and you may actually can read the label, but it's something in this Mopar box that must get installed into the charger. So, today I'm just going to check and make sure I have all the tools that I need to get it put in. Should take maybe 3 hours. But first things first, I'm just going to move the car. See, it's kind of close to the back wall. I'm going to move it up just a little bit. Got plenty of room up there. I'm going to move it up so I have a nice amount of room to work with back here. Move it up, jack up one side, and just check to make sure I have all the tools. So, yeah, let's get this video started. So you can see I got a good amount of room up here. So yeah, I'm just going to get it close to the door. Put some jack stands on it, where I actually put some wheel chokes, and jack up one side. But yeah, I got a lot of room, so let's move it to the front. This thing is dirty. Where's my keys? In my pocket. Why didn't my keys work? I don't know. Anyway, let's move this thing. I'm just gonna move up just a little bit. I ain't let the car run long, so no, I didn't open the garage door. Let's see how close we are to the front now. Oh yeah, just where I needed it. So, alright, let's continue. Always practice safety. So, just gonna make sure this front wheel can't go anywhere. Should be good. And now, let's take her up. I don't know if you guys know, but it is a rubber pad in here that you're supposed to eject the car from. So that's all I'm doing. Alright. That should be plenty of space. Let me get my light. And let's take a look under here. Alright, let's see what we're looking at. So, if you couldn't guess from the box, got a limited slip differential. So, just trying to see what kind of tools I need, kind of surveying the job before I start. So, as you can see there, I think these are T60 screws, and I'm shaking, but alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of those. And we got 2 bolts there, if you can see those. So, also I'm gonna put my camera here so I can show you guys what I'm looking at. Alright, so one there, and then let's continue to the back. Alright, so you guys can see already I'm not up under here. So the big topic was, are these rear ends interchangeable? does the RT axle, which is 220 millimeters, swap with the SRT differential with 230 millimeter axles. I've seen yeses, I've seen no's, so we're gonna take a shot. Pretty sure it's a yes, but anyway, so I'm gonna have to take out that bolt. Let's look up in here closer, see if there's anything to see. Nope. So drive shaft off, those 2 bolts, and I think it should be 2 bolts back here. Yep, so you can see 1 bolt there, and man, look at that fun right there. 1 bolt there. So that should be it. Just take all the other bolts out. These 2 right here get the jack up under here. Then these right here are the last 2 bolts. And I think when you take it out, it actually walks the differential forward. So doesn't look like too bad of a job. But like everything else, once you start, that's when you see the headache. Now, I will need to lower my exhaust. So you can see there. So hanger back there that I have to take out. Same on this side, and it's a hanger here, hanger there, and that. Oh, and probably that brace, and then that should let the exhaust fall down some, and then we should be ready to party. Doesn't look like too bad of a job. I just wanted to see if I had that bolt for the drive shaft, and I have to go buy that tomorrow from one of the part stores. So yeah, that's the task at hand. So shouldn't be too bad. Anyway, this is gonna be a well, I'll probably do 1 video, but it's gonna span. I might do it tomorrow. We'll see. Anyway, that's it for this portion. Just trying to see the job, what I had to do. Looks pretty simple, so I'll let you know my thoughts later.